on, Skippy! Skippy! Hey guys, it's Ben. Welcome to Bundaberg Port Marina. Today is all about driving. We're gonna do driving, get ready for some fucking mad music and some fucking Weber sounds and fucking driving cunt. I gotta fix this camera mount, it's fucking shit. Okay, while we're at home, I'll just give you a look at what I did with them linkage springs yesterday. Alright, let's have a look. I've added these springs here. They just stop the linkages from having too much shake and play and wobble and free. Keep it all in place nice, and they do kind of work to return even though they're just connected there and there. I don't know, it looks good in my opinion, seems to work. See what you think. And then I've got this spring here tuned to length, and I don't know if you can hear that, but that's that nice return noise every time, even from a little one. That's my linkage setup. Hopefully that's permanent. Don't have to touch it. Zed. Lazy dog. And just a little behind the scenes. We fixed up my camera mount and tripod. I just added a whole bunch of super glue to this bit so the weight of my phone doesn't make that flop around. It reckons it's supposed to hold a 3 kilogram camera. Man, I'd love to see that. Alright, so we're back out on the road. We're just down one of the local boat ramps, watching the boaties and enjoying the sunshine at the moment. And then we'll go for a cruise around, get a little bit more footage. Alright, hang on. So, yeah, gonna have to cut yous off there. It's no fun trying to drive around doing the legal thing all the time. Fuck, that happens a lot to me. If you know a way to stop your hair getting tangled in sunglasses, I'd love to hear from you. Leave it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers from Bundaberg. If you ever get up this way, we will see you then. I hope you enjoy.